It's big. 30 million.
Hello everybody, welcome to
From the Couch.
From the Couch, brought to you by the Obox Signature Series.
David.
Marco, you guys. Natalie's not in the room. I'm teaching her how to do websites. So I've given her a couple of things, like all the tips I give you guys, I'm now re-teaching to her. So like, I'm giving her some of the websites we've done, and she must now go into Fireworks and copy them. You know, literally copy over them, so she can learn, you know, the spacing, padding, grids, the whole thing. It's like a crash course. She's got so much talent that we just need to start executing on it.
Utilize now.
And with the amount of like design work coming up,
we need to utilize.
yeah. And with our plan with theming, okay, we're thinking now. I saw 80 the other day, 80 Rockstar from With Themes.
Check out the video you posted.
Yeah, check it out yesterday, and he was saying like, why limit hash one thing? I'm like,
hash one. About signature
the
series.
signature series. So we're like, no, you know, we wanted, you know, perception and stuff. He's like, geez, you know, there's plenty of competition to go around. Then I watched his presentation.
He actually looked at his presentation,
which was pretty good, and you know, it got me thinking. Maybe this is like, we literally, before we started the show, we're talking about it right here. We'll have the Obox Signature Series.
But we're also going to have the Obox regular series.
We may have.
We're thinking about. We
want
to know what you.
With like an OCMX Lite package, okay, and then we save the expensive Signature Series stuff for 5-6 times a year. Very unique, lots of like detail and whatever, and we'll run a competition on that stuff, okay. So we're thinking of doing that. You know, we want to give everyone a piece of Obox. Say something.
Well, I think I'm just listening to you. Well, I swore. I swore. I was listening to you talk the whole time. Yeah, I think definitely, because it's kind of like a lot of people were a bit upset that they didn't win the theme.
We are so sorry.
And we are sorry, and a lot of people, okay, not a lot, a few people have asked me about the back end. I've been asked about developers' licenses, and I think if we can maybe just lighten it up a bit, spread the love a bit more, I think that it could work, and that's what I want to say. We want you guys to tell us.
Are you keen on something like that? Because, you know, like in our opinion, there's so many like places where you can buy themes at the moment. You know, we're scared of treading on people's toes, and like we basically have to then become sort of WordPress pros, which we don't consider ourselves to be at all.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, we put in maximum effort, whatever, but
we don't consider ourselves the gurus.
Yeah.
In fact,
to go on that whole branding exercise,
we actually pride ourselves for being simple, because we actually,
we're trying to keep
we're simple-minded people.
On a side note, okay, we realised that From the Couch has been a bit slack lately.
Oh yeah, we were speaking about that as well.
Especially like us sitting on the couch, like we haven't been doing many of those lately. Okay, fine, Fridays and Mondays are usually tutorial days, that's cool, okay. Which
broken the mold today.
Okay. We realised that, the reason is because of Hash 1, we've been putting in like so many hours, our brains are exhausted, but I think from next week things will be returning to normalness.
Content's on the up again.
Okay.
So don't fear.
WordPress, we will be talking a bit more about WordPress. What else is there? Tonight, talking about content.
SA Blog Awards tonight.
The SA Blog Awards on tonight.
We're going to be there, we're going to take a cami.
We've been nominated, for those of you who don't know,
Best Design Blog.
Best Design Blog. We're not freelancers.
Fancy that.
Best New Blog for From the Couch, and Blog of the Year. Which we doubt.
I don't know.
We doubt.
Yeah, well, it's such a stiff competition. I don't know.
I don't even know how we got nominated for that.
Oh, right.
I'm going to be real. Thanks to you guys.
Thank you guys. So that's going to be.
So we're gonna film that. We're thinking of maybe taking the camera in there.
A little first person
view.
For those of you
we'll say
like
how's
video games.
people. We'll say how's with the camera. Either that, or we'll just put it on a tripod and be very boring. We're not too keen on that. So
tripod idea out. First person idea in.
Okay.
And that's what we're doing. We promise it now.
Yeah, and that will be on Monday. We'll show that. Okay. Wish us luck. We're not planning on winning anything, to be dead honest with you.
In fact, yeah, we just going there for the ride.
Yeah.
Honestly.
The fact that we were nominated was like explosion.
Wow. Waffling a little bit now. What else? We did speak about something.
I don't know. Straight over our heads. I think we're going to end it like that because from next week things will return to normal.
So we're allowed to have a bit of an oopsie at the end.
Yeah.
A bit of a quiet.
Thanks for watching.
David.
Marco.
You guys.
Obox Signature Series.
Natalie. Not here.
Yeah.
And
just quickly. Ooh. I think if you go to line25.com, They're still running a Hatchmore competition. You can still leave a comment on there. Just go check it out. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Ciao.
Ciao.